How optimized is your private cloud? Infrastructure Lifecycle Management. Deploying an infrastructure for your workload is only the first step. Keeping the hardware, software, and network part of the infrastructure secure, updated, and fully operational is a task that persists throughout the operational lifetime of a system and has a significant impact on the total cost of ownership of a system. Maintaining a system that does not provide simple, secure, and reliable management can cost many times more than purchasing such a system, not to mention the cost that arises from the system being offline due to an issue or maintenance. An added difficulty in system lifecycle management is posed by modern data center trends. Modern customers expect more from digital products than ever before, and because of this, companies are moving their infrastructure closer and closer to their customer base, dispersing their centralized data center systems to the corporate edge. Where in the traditional centralized data centers, infrastructure was right next to the staff that maintained it. With edge deployments, maintaining the infrastructure is more difficult since the IT staff needs to travel to the location to set up and maintain the infrastructure. Also, the owner of the infrastructure needs to provide secure connectivity to each of the sites to be able to manage those locations. To address all these modern lifecycle management requirements, you need an intuitive system that allows infrastructure maintainers to do their job without steep learning curves, so that the time to value is almost zero. Additionally, it does not help much if the management and maintenance system also introduces additional maintenance and resource cost. So ideally, you want a system that exists in the cloud and is maintained by its vendor. This allows new features to always be available at any given moment, while not introducing the overhead of provisioning, running, and maintaining the system. Having a management system in the cloud also enables independent connectivity to all the locations without relying on a single ISP or single network location. To get the most of such a lifecycle management system, the system needs to support as many of the infrastructure components as possible. Ideally, you want to support the server hardware and firmware, networking, hypervisor, operating system, virtual machines, and containers. By integrating all the layers of the application framework, you have the ability to provide unified management and upgrade capabilities from one single location. This lowers the man-hours spent on maintenance jobs, provides optimized upgrade paths, allows compatibility verification, and almost completely removes travel. The cost of operation for the infrastructure is lowered significantly, bringing total cost of ownership down and increasing profit margins.